State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for South Central Bedford County and South Central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:08 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a confirmed tornado near Buffalo Mills. Doppler radar showed this tornado moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rainsburg. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Bedford County, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch